Let's see example 7. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if repetition of digits is not allowed? So we required 4-digit numbers among the digits 1 to 9, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. From these digits we have to frame the 4-digit number. Like an example, 3, 4, 7, 8. 3478 is one number, and 7921 is one 4-digit number. Like how many 4-digit numbers are formed if no repetition? If there is no, the repetition of digits is not allowed, only once you should take the digit. So given here, total number of digits given, so which is equal to n, is nothing but how many digits are given here? 9. And how many you should take at a time? Number of digits to be taken at a time, that is r, which is equal to how many? 4 digits, 4. So therefore number of permutations of n different digits taken 4 at a time without repetition is nothing but NPR. So number of 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1 to 9, using the digits 1 to 9 is equal to NPR, that is 9PR. It's nothing but number of 4-digit numbers means number of permutations. These are all permutations, that is 9p4. 9p4 is 9 into, we can add 8 into 7 into n minus r plus 1 up to, means 9 minus 4, 5 plus 1, 6, that is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So this is the answer. So if you calculate it, you will be getting 3024. Or also we can use the formula 9 factorial upon 9 minus 4 factorial by using the formula NPR. So 9 factorial upon 5 factorial, we'll get the same, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. That's the 3024. Okay, right. Let us see another example. How many 4-digit numbers are there with distinct digits? So we have total number of digits which is equal to 10. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total 10 digits are there. We required how many 4-digit numbers are there? Generally if you can speak about without 4-digit numbers, like total number of things is equal to n. Total number of things is equal to n is equal to 10 here, and number of things taken at a time, which is equal to 4. So number of such arrangements or number of permutations we can say. So total number of permutations is equal to 10p4. So this is how generally we think, and we give the answer as per the definition of permutations. But in this case we should remember there is a digit 0, and any number which starts with a 0 will not be considered. Which means, suppose if I write here 0, 2, 8 and 6, so we will be taken this as a 3-digit number. We will be considered as a 3-digit number, it's not a 4-digit number. So for this type of questions, you should be very careful placing the 0. So 0 cannot be placed in the first position. So in the first place, 0 cannot be placed. If 0 cannot be placed, then how many digits can be placed here? In first place, 9 digits are possible. And in the remaining 3 digits, we can keep 0 anywhere. In the second place or third place or fourth place, you can keep 0. But first place should not be placed with a 0. That's all. So the remaining 3 places are there. Like number of remaining digits are, if first place is already fixed with any one of the 9 digits, then we had out of total 10 digits, one non-zero digit is already placed in the first place. So the remaining digits can be 9 are there. So that is n is equal to 9. And how many places to be occupied here? 3 places. So number of things taken at a time is nothing but r is equal to 3. So how many arrangements can be made by 3 digit numbers here? So remaining places can be occupied in 9p3. 9p3 possibilities are there. So therefore the total number of 4 digits numbers with the distinct digits is equal to 9 into 9p3. Why are doing multiplication? Using multiplication principle here. If first place is occupied, then we are seeing the remaining places. So that is first place is 9 possibilities and remaining in 9p3. So 9 into 9p3 is 9 into npr is n into n minus 1 into and so on, n minus r plus 1. So that is a 9 minus 3, 6 plus 1, that is 7. So 9 into 8 into 7. So 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 is nothing but, if you calculate it, 4536, you will get it. Or by using multiplication principle without using np3, we can give the answer here as the first place is occupied by 9 and the second place can be occupied by, if 0 can be placed in first place other than 0, 9 places are there, 9 digits are possible. So if the second place already 1 digit is occupied, any of the digit we can occupy, so again 9 places out of 10. And the next place, if 2 digits are occupied, so 8. If 3 digits are occupied, then 7. So 9 into 9 into 8 into 7, this is by multiplication principle we can give the answer. Okay, or by another way, by using this 10p4 concept also, since we know the total number of arrangements without meaning, like 4 digit numbers, we got 10p4. In these arrangements, among these arrangements, 10p4 arrangements, there are some arrangements which starts with a 0. There are some arrangements which starts with 0. So we should exclude them, we should remove them. So to remove such arrangements, we need to count how many such arrangements are there. Means arrangement which starts with 0. Which starts with 0 is not counted to be 4 digit number. So how many such possibilities are there? So that you have to count. First place is already fixed with 0, that is 1. And the remaining 3 places with the total remaining digits are 9 and things to be taken 3, 9p3. So which starts with a 0, number of arrangements is nothing but 1 into 9p3, that is 9p3. So among 10p4 arrangements, 9p3 arrangements should be removed. So we can consider the answer to be 10p4 minus required total number of digits, 10p4 minus 9p3. 10p4 minus 9p3, you do it, you will get the answer 4536 only. Okay, by using any of the method you can solve this question, right? Let us see another example. How many numbers lying between 100 and 1000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if the repetition of the digits is not allowed? So we know that between 100 and 1000 there are only 3-digit numbers. Between 100 and 1000 there are only 3-digit numbers. Let us mark 3 boxes. Again, just like before example where we have seen, among the given digits 0 is there. When 0 is there, you should be very careful. 0 should not be marked here. 0 should not be marked. If 0 is cannot be placed in the first place, then how many possibilities are there in first place? If you remove the 0, total 5 possibilities are there. 5 possibilities. And coming to the second place, 0 can be occupied. If already one digit is occupied in the first place, then 0 can be occupied here. So the remaining digits are how many? If already 1 is occupied, out of 6 digits given, so 1 digit is already occupied, non-zero digit is occupied, then the remaining digits are 5. So second place possibilities are the 5, and third place, now in which 2 digits are occupied, 2 places are occupied, and the third place, out of 6, 2 places are occupied, means remaining are 4. So it's 4. By multiplication principle or fundamental principle of counting, we can say that number of such possibilities is nothing but 5 into 5 into 4. That is 5 as a 25, 4 as a 100 is the answer by using multiplication principle. Now let us use by using the NPR formula same. So here 3 possibilities, means 3 digits we required. So in which 0 cannot be occupied. 0 cannot be occupied means first place can be taken in 5 possibilities, and the remaining two digits, among the remaining digits out of 6 digits, the remaining digits are n is equal to 5, and how many things to be taken at a time? That is 2. So 5 into, after placing the first non-zero digit, then we have to see this, then 5 into, and multiplication principle, so we had 5p2. So 5 into 5p2, that is 5 into n minus r plus 1 till 5 minus 2 plus 1, that is 4. So 5 into 5 into 4, which gives 100. And also by using another way, or by using the another way, since we had total number of digits which is equal to 6, and to be taken at a time is 3-digit number. Taken at a time is 3. So here it is n and here it is r. So number of arrangements, we will not call 3-digit numbers, number of arrangements of such case, that is out of 6, 3 at a time is 6p3, in which there are some arrangements which starts with 0, to be removed. Those are to be removed. So how many are there which starts with 0? If 0 is the first place, then the remaining possibilities, 0 is fixed in the first place, that is 1 possibility, and the remaining is 5p2. Out of 6, 1 is 0 is occupied, so 5p2, that is 5p2 possibilities to be removed. Therefore required number of 3 digits is equal to 6p3 minus 5p2. 6p3 minus 5p2, if calculated, you will get the answer 100. Okay, right. Find the number of palindromes with 6 digits that can be formed using the digits. First one 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and second 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So let us see first what is palindrome. Palindrome is a word or a number or a sequence of some characters which reads the same backward as forward. Like an example, race car. You can see that R and R, A and A, from the beginning and the last, if you read from the forward or backward, it means the same, race car, the race car. And in the numerical palindromes, we can say 1 2 3 2 1. So 1 2 3 2 1 is a palindrome which can be read same forward and backward. Okay, now here we required a number of palindromes, numerical palindromes with the 6 digits. So let us mark here 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digits palindromes is required that can be formed using the digits. So let us mark first this as A, B, C. It reads the same from the last also. So if once A is fixed in the first place, so it is same as A. B is fixed in the second place, so the last but second is also B. And C, here also C can be taken. Okay, let us see the first case with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now here particularly 0 is there, so we should be very careful in selecting the first place. So now A can be filled in where 0 cannot be taken. So how many possibilities are there remaining? 2, 4, 6, 8. So A can be taken either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So we can write A can be filled in 4 ways excluding 0. Okay. And now B, the second position, B can be filled in. Now B can be taken any of either 0 also can be chosen. So B can be filled among the 5 digits. Here the repetition is allowed because there is no condition that we cannot repeat the digits. So repetition can be taken. So once digit is already fixed in the first place, can be taken again. If suppose A is equal to 6 here, can be considered in the second place also because the digits can be repeated. B can be filled in total 5 ways including 0. So we can say including 0. And now C, third place, C can be filled in. Again C also can be placed 0, 0 can be placed and 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, anything can be placed. The digits can be repeated also. So C also can be filled in 5 ways including 0. So therefore we can say by multiplication principle, by FPC, we can say number of palindromes by using the digits 0 to 4 6 8 is nothing but 4 into 5 into 5. And you may be getting a doubt remaining digits, so why are not calculating for the CBA? So if A is fixed, if one digit is fixed here, automatically the last position is also fixed. If suppose if I mark it 6 here, here also mark it to be 6 only. So there is only one selection, means one possible way. So you no need to select again last digit. So only one possibility. So the remaining all can be taken like 1 into 1 into 1, already fixed. So 4 into 5 into 5 means it's already fixed here, 1 into 1 into 1, or we can simply write 4 into 5 into 5. So 4 into 5 into 5 is, so we can count that 5 as a 25, 4 is a 100. Okay, and now coming to the second case. Let us see the second case, 13579. So luckily we don't have any 0 here in this case. So A can be filled. A can be filled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any 5 digits we can write 5 ways. And B can be filled in again 5 ways. It can be repeated, the digits. And C can be filled in again 5 ways. So required number of palindromes. Number of palindromes in the second case by using the digits 1357 is nothing but 579 is 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 to the power of 3, which is equal to 125. This is the answer. Okay, right.